Wax-free toilet seals make future toilet maintenance faster and cleaner than traditional wax rings. Wax-free seals create a reusable, gasket-style barrier that compresses and seals without leaving residue, so when you need to lift the toilet, you can simply unbolt it, lift straight up, and set it back down without scraping wax from the flange or toilet base. Install by first ensuring the flange is level and free of debris. Then seat the seal squarely over the flange or onto the toilet outlet, depending on the model. Tighten bolts gradually and evenly so the seal compresses uniformly, and finally test with a careful flush and a hand check for movement. For long-term performance, pick seals made from durable elastomers and confirm the flange height is within the product range, because too low or too high flanges undermine the compression needed for a reliable seal. When replacing an old wax ring, remove the toilet, clean the flange surface, inspect for cracks or corrosion, and if the flange is damaged, install a flange repair ring or extender before fitting the wax-free seal. For do-it-yourselfers, use 2 people for heavier toilets. Keep the water supply off and residual water cleared from the bowl and tank to minimize weight, and always tighten bolts in small increments to avoid cracking the porcelain. If you encounter a persistent wobble, shim the toilet on the flange side and then trim the shims below the base so the seal compresses evenly and the bolts are not overstressed. Common mistakes include not checking flange height first, which leads to undercompression and leaks, so measure the flange and use an extender if it sits too low. A second issue is uneven bolt tightening that can tilt the toilet and damage the seal, so tighten bolts gradually and alternate sides until snug. Third, people sometimes reuse a damaged or misshapen seal, leading to failure, so always inspect the seal before reinstalling and replace it if you see cracks, permanent deformation, or hardened material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare services related to toilet seal upgrades and lifetime maintenance. We also help contractors find nearby work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences.